Okay, welcome back sa atong tutorial sa app development. So, last video, we discussed about a task. So, we discussed about CRUD and we already execute, create and display or retrieve or read. So, na kita ta na ang task nga gina-create ta. Then, pwede na ta ka-create sang task. Sample task 1. So, example. So, complete. Yes. So, as we can see, we have our display and we have our notification. So, task created successfully. So, we have already created our notification. Now, for this video, we will design our list. So, now in this video, we will focus on designing. So, the framework that we will be using is Tailwind. So, in our project, if you are doing and also if you are watching the video from the start of this project, we already install our Laravel application using Inertia and with Vue.js. So in this case, Tailwind is built in this project. If you install Inertia, Laravel, and Vue.js, the Tailwind is built in. So it's already there. So what you're gonna do is study the Tailwind, go to Tailwind css.com. So after that, you will be going to our documents and you can study here. So example, the layout, breakthrough after column. So you can study here what is flex, justify, padding, max height. So you can study the documentation of Tailwind. So if you don't want to look thoroughly uh, thoroughly to this sidebar, you just search here. What is your problem? Example, background color. So how to implement background color in Tailwind. So you can use classes. So, BG current, transparent, white, red, and BG red. So let's start. So our goal today is to make this test less task more stylish. So first, we will go to our resources. For example, I will close this. So all of your views, your HTML file is located in resources, JS, pages, and then the file. So for this case, we have the task. So in this case, we have the script and template. In template, this is your HTML file. So every design you will create it, you will only put in this template. So for example, we can see that we have the task list, which is your heading. So we have the heading of task list. We have the background of Slate 300. So I will not discuss really in Tailwind. So you can see the documentation. BG stand for background. Slate is the color, and then the 300 is the what is it? The grades, no? Kung ano ka damol, ano ka the thickness of your color. For example, the 100 is more lights, and the 500 going up is more higher. So for example, we'll put it 600. As you can see, it will be more darker. So that's it. 100 is light. So as the number going up, so the lighter and darkness of the color is changing. It's become darker if the number is going up, and it's become lighter if the number is going down. So for example, in white, there's a special cases that white, you don't need to put the number, because white, there's no lighter white and higher white. For example, 600, you cannot put. So white is white. There's no light, there's no dark. So what if you want to make the light transparent, you just use slash and then 20. So that your light become transparent. How to know it? So let's see this. We will put this in there. Copy all. Press Alt, then up arrow. So as you can see, we will put class. Always use class if you will design. You will call Tailwind. So Tailwind uses class. So it put background of slate, or we can put background of gray if you wish. 500. Then you can see you have your white but is transparent. So what if I will not put the slash 20? You can see the white is dark, so it's not transparent. But if you put slash 20 or slash 10, then your white become transparent. So that's it. So our goal is to make this header first. So for example, we will make this header on, so we'll make a logo. For example, we will make a app task. We will make app task logo. So we have this, and also we can add more. Example, we will add more h2, h1. So if you want to add multiple h1, you just make it times 4. So you have multiple h1. So for example, we have this menu, the home, the about, then we have the contact. So that's it. So you can see you have your app task, home, about, and contact. So if you want to make it straight going here, I just make it like add flex. So the purpose of flex is making the orientation in horizontally. So you have this horizontal or vertical. So you have this, it's line, and you can add space, justify between if you want to have space between of it. So you have this, but our goal is to group this and separate with this. So what you can do is put this in dev.